What's up guys, this is the Scripts Knight and welcome back to third episode of how to make an adventure map. This episode we're going to take a look at the /tellraw command, /title command and the /subtitle command. So without further ado, let's jump straight on into it. Okay guys, you'll have to open up your web browser for this to work. So we basically want to type in the search box Minecraft and JSON like that. And then you want to click on this first thing here, I guess, and then we have this blank page. Okay, it has some stuff here for some weird reason, but when you first open up this, you want to click on here if it's not already selected, basic tellraw it's called, and yeah, you want to click on add text. So then you'll see these different things, I guess. It's different boxes. So text basically makes text, and selector basically selects a player for the text, I guess. I'll show you how that works in a second. The scoreboard objective, I usually don't use scoreboard objectives, but we might use it in this map, so I might cover it later. The NBT storage, I'm not familiar with that, sorry. But keybind basically is if you press a key, I guess, and line break basically takes a break in the line. If you have text and we want to have an airline, we're going to call it airline, then we want to type some text afterwards, and that's the line break. So we want to click on text for now. So sorry guys if I sound a little bit weird, I'm having a little bit of a cold, so just don't worry about that and follow the video. Okay, so text. Here we can basically type in, for example, hello there. Okay, so basically now we have text, okay? And here where it says none, you basically can select the color of the text. So for example, we want to have it green. Now this preview will turn green. Before it was kind of white, I think. And bold basically makes it bold. Italic makes it go sideways like that. And underline makes an underline. Strike through makes a line going through the words. And all obfuscated basically makes text unreadable, okay? So we're going to make it bold. And click event and hover event will get to later. In the search engine, I don't think you need to worry about. I've never used it, honestly, but you can just click save, and here you have your text. So you just gotta copy this text by clicking on it and hitting Control C or Command C, and then we'll have to hop on back into Minecraft. Okay, so guys, when you're inside of your map, basically just want to go where you have this execute command thing, if you still have it, and this set block command block thing. So basically middle click on this command block, just middle click on it, and also I have a bunch of junk here, so don't worry about that. So then you just want to place it facing upwards or any direction you want, just to keep it organized. And then we want the redstone dust, place it on top, and open up your command block and hit Control and V or command. So, and you can also delete slash, but this is only for command blocks, okay? And just leave the slash in if you're just doing chat. So here we basically have the command pasted in, and we can press done, and then we can place the repeater here and go back in here. And then you basically want to go inside of the structure that you have the command set in, or you can just activate it whenever you like, but I think it looks a little bit more professional to show it so then we have text hello there. Right there. So that's basically the tellraw text covered, or not really. We'll have to delete that for now, and then we'll have to go back into the web browser. So see you guys there. Okay, so guys, when you're back at JSON or tellraw generate Minecraft, you'll have to add another text, and we're not going to cover these. I'll cover them maybe in a later episode, because I want to keep this video short, okay? And then you want to press on selector. So selector basically selects player, I guess. So I'll show you how it works. So you can basically type in @p, for example. So you want to use this for text if you don't want to come up a name for the player. You basically want to come up with a character name. For example, the player, if you want to have a custom name for the player, you don't have to do this, but if you want to have the player's name, you can use this at the beginning of the text so that the player knows that it's you that's talking, etc. Okay, so we could make it bold and bold. And then we want to add text, another text, and not Z, and want arrow facing that way. Then we also want gold. Then we want to add another text, and here we can, for example, hello. And we can make it green and save. So basically copy this and yeah, insert it into the command block and do what we did with first text. Okay, because it will do exactly the same thing, but we'll basically set the player, or well, yeah, I'll just show it. So copy it and we go back into Minecraft. Okay, so when you're back inside of your map, basically open up your command block, hit Control A and delete like that, and then Control V or Command A, whatever. So there you have this command. Now, just so that we don't have to go into the little cave thing, we can just make it always active, and there you go. It says my player name, and do this yourself. It will show your player name, and it will show any other player's or whoever activated it. Okay. So that's basically what that command does. You can delete it, and then we'll have to go back into the web browser again. So see you guys then. Okay, guys. So when you're back inside your web browser again, want to go over to screen overlay and want to add text, or well, we'll have to select one of these first. We'll choose normal type. We want text. Okay, so here we can basically type hello and welcome, for example. So, and then you want to put green or gold. Then you want to basically like that. And then you want to copy this by Control C or Command C, and then you want to go back into Minecraft again. So see you guys then. Okay, so guys, when you're back inside of your map again, we want to open up the command block again and paste this line into here and delete the slash. It's optional, and hit always active and done. And there we go. Hello and welcome. So that's how you get screen overlay text. Like, many people wonder how you do that, because you see that in a lot of servers, but it's as simple as that. It's not really any magic going on. So yeah, that's how you do screen text overlay. So you want to do that, and alright, you could like no, we'll do it this way instead. So then we want to go back into the web browser again. So let's just jump straight on into the web browser again. Okay, guys, so we're inside of the web browser again. We want to hit this like screen overlay and hit that title subtitle. So basically we can I think and delete that, and yeah, we'll put player, and then we gotta copy this, and then we'll have to go back into Minecraft again. So see you guys there. Okay, guys, so we're back inside of Minecraft again. We want to place down the command block facing that way, and like put it, for example, a repeat, and it needs redstone, and we can just press done, hold shift, and place another command block, put it always active, I think so, and put it to chain, and paste it that command that we just copied, and delete the slash. And then if you don't have the command here, then we'll have to go back into the web browser again. Okay, so see you guys then. Okay, so guys, when you're back inside your web browser, just click here and put title again, and like put text, for example, hello and welcome, for example, and put gold and bold and save, and copy that and go back into Minecraft. Okay, so guys, you're back inside of your map again. Open up the repeating command block and paste this command inside, and delete the slash, and then we need a redstone block, put it like that, and that's basically how the subtitle command works. It does not work like if you like I'm just going to delete some stuff here. So for example, if you like delete it like that, it's not going to work if you like put just like that. It won't even work if we it won't work. Even if we put it to impulse, it won't work, because, or if we put it to repeat, it won't work, because basically it needs a title command to get executed. Okay, so yeah, that's basically how the subtitle command works. Then we have had the action bar. Basically that works the same as the tellraw command, like for example, you get a bed and try to sleep. It's this text that shows up here, which is going to be played whenever the action bar command gets played, and it also cleans your inventory, by the way, or chat. But I think that is it for this episode of how to make an adventure map. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.